दूर कोई बलून बेच रहा है, दूर कोई छोले कुलचे बना रहा है, और अरे छोड़ो सब कुछ और भागो गाड़ी के पीछे. Where do we see that kind of stardom or madness for an actor of our generation? No. That's all very orchestrated what was happening today, right? कि वहां पे paparazzi खड़ी होगी, आपको आना है बस. It's all made up right now.
समर्स में दोपहर का पेपर दे रहे हैं हम, 40 डिग्रीज टेम्परेचर है और 2:30 बजे पंखा चलेगा नहीं। तो ऐसे मैंने इंजीनियरिंग की है पूरी। मुझे वो बहुत बड़ा रिवलेशन था कि फिल्मों वाली कॉलेज एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती, ऐसा लगता था मुझे।
Perceptions are made, perceptions are built, they're fabricated, and they could be far from the truth sometimes, and they could be true also.
For all film related interviews, reviews, and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
Hi, hi, hi.
Hi,
How
how
are
are
you?
you?
I'm so used to seeing you in your turtlenecks and these colors. Now it's only on Zoom. When are you coming to Bombay?
And then you come to Delhi, but on that, हाँ यामी एक बात बता, हर चीज आजकल recently why you carrying a gun? Whenever I see you, you've got a gun in your hand.
No, I
धूमधाम
found
धमाका.
मैंने भी यही पूछा है, कैसे कैसे गोली चला दी आपने।
yeah, मुझे मजा आया. This is a totally different world, obviously. एंड इसमें इसमें तो ये था कि मैं बिल्कुल ऑफ कोर्स अनट्रेन्ड हूँ, और इसलिए वो कहना, अरे ऐसे कैसे चला रही हो. इट्स आई थिंक द it's a very weird stance how I'm pulling the trigger, and I hope none of my instructors and none of my all the diggage from whom I've learned they ever watch this footage, and they feel अरे ये कैसे उन्होंने गन पकड़ी. But that's the character, that's the situation, and of course as you'll watch the film you'll see the world.
And Pratik, you've become now an ace at comedy. Comedy is your go-to genre now. जब भी मिलती है, is doing some comedy में कुछ कर रहे हैं.
But it happened that way that these three films came back to back that way. So Madgaon and then Dor Do Pyar. And then now this. But Dhoomdham has a different flavor altogether. So I guess once you watch the film, we'll discuss more about it. But this
Absolutely.
comedy is different, and this is the situation is so bizarre that you all will laugh, but I'm completely in a mess. The film.
I like the gender dynamics where he's saying तुम गोली कैसे चला लेती हो, and he said मैं दो गुंडों को I can control them, and she looks at him like, really you? It's as if you are taking care of him. So I want to ask, what drew you both to this quirky story?
These are real life stories, yeah. Mostly females are this capable of taking care of us. So, and I'm blessed with such females in my real life also.
And also always we're looking for different stories. If you also see his line of work or mine, there's a certain pattern, and the pattern is break that pattern. Let's look for something new. गिन चुन के ऐसे तो वही फिर जॉनर्स होते हैं. थ्रिलर हो गया, आपका एक्शन हो गया, कॉमेडी, रोमांस. बट इनके आगे और सम बायोपिक्स, और बट आगे इनके इतने, एक कॉमेडी भी कितनी तरह की कितने तरह की कॉमेडी हो सकती है. हाउ कैन यू commercialize of a story of just one night? How can you make a film out of it, and a film which is for the masses, which is for the audience, which is would as universal as it should get. So I think that was a fun part of the story, that was a fun part of the film, and absolutely the characters. I'm far away, thankfully, from Koyal Chadha. And and that's a fun part, right, of being an actor, that you're getting to play roles, you're getting to play part, you're getting to learn certain skills, be it something as maybe common as riding how to bike, to firing a gun, to anything that I'm sure Pratik, we were just discussing what he's done for example, for Agni, which is about firefighters.
Yeah.
So this is the beauty of our profession. So it was fun. And it always becomes more fun when the audience gets together and lauds your choices and give a watch to our films and believe in the world we're trying to create for them.
And both of you have really succeeded, because last year, as I'd met Pratik also, and I met you also before you went on your maternity leave, was the year belonged to you. You gave an Article 370, he gave 3 back-to-back hits. But so for you as actors who have in a way totally upended the so-called star system and found your niche, created your own niche, What was that one thing you both feel you did right? Dhoom dham se.
I think what I personally always felt is that I, s- I was around, I could stick around and kept doing something with the equal amount of faith and passion for the longest time, so that I could see this phase of life where people are equally excited to work with you and people are confident to give you different genres and different characters, which is a dream for any actor. उसके लिए सिर्फ ये है कि आप यू जस्ट बी देयर, कीप डूइंग योर थिंग, कीप इम्प्रूविंग एवरी डे सो दैट व्हेन यू गेट द चांस यू कैन प्रूव योरसेल्फ. तो अभी पहले ऐसा था ना, अर्लियर द प्रेशर वाज टू कॉन्स्टेंटली प्रूव योरसेल्फ. हाँ सर, देखिए मैं कर सकता हूँ. नाउ यू सी दैट कॉन्फिडेंस इन देयर आईज, he'll be able to do it. So now I can go beyond and do something more other than just proving myself. Again, which is a big change in any actor's life.
And Yami, for you, it's been that and also gender. I mean, I like the way that you've created this whole space. You know, your movie's done female-led, jaise kehte hain, though it should be, gender should be blurred,
Absolutely.
but that's the
Absolutely.
industry we belong to, and you've spoken about that also at length. Is this Yami 2.0 phase serving you well?
Yeah, I think I got somewhere aware of the fact that what is a big film, and the lines that make a film a big film and this is a small film, that definition is blurring. Of course, it's defined by the budget, it's defined by who how bigger the lack of a better word, but how bigger the star is. And that's when, even before your film gets made, there's a satellite, there's this and that, and you try to make the most of it on the table from producer's perspective. But I think somewhere the definition of a big and a small film is changing, is evolving. So for me, I stopped chasing that. I stopped defining any benchmark for me that, oh, if I do this, then then I have arrived. Because your benchmark will keep shifting. What I've gotten today, now I would want more. Now I would want, no, okay, I've got this. Now what next? So, and I realized that the hero is the script. The hero is the story. The hero is how well a film is made and how well have you performed. It's very simple math. I don't want, the day you stop chasing and making yourself dependent, see, my casting in a film, I'm dependent on someone's perception about me, right? How good I am as an actor, that's different. But that's not how always casting is done. We all know that, right? Perceptions are made, perceptions are built, they're fabricated, and they could be far from the truth sometimes, and they could be true also, right? So what are you looking at? What am I chasing? What do I want? So that sort of came into being and into expression through the kind of work that I consistently kept signing, or I consistently kept looking for, and giving the best that I could. And as you said, yeah, I don't believe just this is a female. I know that's a term we all use. Film is a film is a film is made by all the characters, everyone, and everyone needs to be given their dues. Whether it's the heroes on screen or the entire crew that works relentlessly behind the screen to make that one expression of mine stand out, you need the correct lighting, you need the correct music, you need the correct edit point, right? Then it's a big discussion. So I don't overthink. I don't think of myself as anything. Just someone who's putting her head down and just working and being trying to be consistent with one film after the other and looking for substance, looking where I am I exist. I'm pivotal to the story, and I'm not just there for anything which is ornamental, something which can be replaced easily. So that's about it.
Absolutely. And Pratik, ek baat bata, we saw in Do Aur Do Pyar, yahan bhi Koel is like Harvey on Veer. I mean, are you like that in real life? Like, I mean, you are the kind of guy that everyone would want. He's okay. You take the lead. I'll follow you.
Yeah, if somebody's taking a lead and I get to do what I want to do, is best. Like I don't like to, I can't go to the restaurant and order for myself. If I have a partner who's ordering, I'm more than happy to do that. Let her do that. But Door Do Pyar was a little different in that, where I was stuck between two women in life
Yeah,
and
कुएं
could
तो
not
हो सकता है.
decide. Here the decision is done, and suddenly there are revelations happening. मैंने ये नहीं सोचा था.
आपकी
उसके
जिंदगी
बाद
का कौन सा ऐसे बड़ा रेवलेशन था? मैंने ऐसा नहीं सोचा था.
इस जिंदगी का ऐसा बड़ा रिविलेशन बहुत सारे थे, बहुत सारे थे. मैंने जो ना हमने हिंदी फिल्मों में कॉलेज लाइफ कैसी देखी है हमने सालों से. कॉलेज में जाते हो तो ये डे सेलिब्रेट हो रहा है, वो डे सेलिब्रेट हो रहा है,
Yeah.
इंजीनियरिंग ये
It's all fun.
It's
It's all
all
a
fun.
party every day.
तो ऐसा नहीं हुआ मेरी कॉलेज में. मैं जैसे ही कॉलेज गया मुझे पता चला 1.5 बिल्डिंग बनी हुई है. 1.5 बिल्डिंग, दूसरी आधी कंस्ट्रक्शन में थी. दैट्स माय कॉलेज. और वो ही मेरा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज है जिसमें पंखे जो हैं वो कभी चलेंगे कभी नहीं चलेंगे. समर्स में दोपहर का पेपर दे रहे हैं हम, 40 डिग्रीज टेम्परेचर है और 2:30 बजे पंखा चलेगा नहीं. तो ऐसे मैंने इंजीनियरिंग की है पूरी. मुझे वो बहुत बड़ा रिविलेशन था कि फिल्मों वाली कॉलेज एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती, ऐसा लगता था मुझे.
और जो लोग सोचते हैं फिल्मों की दुनिया आप लोगों की इतनी रंगीन.
वो कॉलेज तो मेरे लिए
हाँ,
नहीं थी
मतलब
कभी.
और मुंबई आने से पहले मुझे लगता था पूरा मुंबई ऐसे ऐसे ही लगता है, बस सी फेसिंग है. बस वही सनसेट सुंदर, सबके घर सुंदर, एवरीथिंग इज लाइक म्यूजिक, सनसेट. और पता नहीं इट्स सब सी फेसिंग घरों में रहते हैं. पता नहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता था.
Your biggest revelation, Hami. आपके तो बहुत हुए हैं, but सबसे बड़ा revelation now that you look back and say, "Oh my God, really? What were you thinking?"
Yeah, that's what my perception of Mumbai, because it's such a glossy image in films. At least just tab tak dekha tha. Not of course talking about Company or Shiva. That was a very different kind of cinema which was equally celebrated. But as somebody who's so young, as someone who's like, it comes with its own aspiration. ना अच्छा दिख रहा है, अरे वाह, मतलब everyone dresses up so nicely. इतनी बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स, ऑफ कोर्स बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स हैं, बट सब कुछ सुंदर है, सब कुछ वो सुंदर पेड़, वो सनसेट, बीच, इट्स पार्टी. बट इट वाज वेरी डिफरेंट. इट वाज वेरी डिफरेंट. एंड घर, यहाँ पे घर, इट्स फिनोमिनल कैसे इतनी सी स्पेस में इतने इतनी बड़ी बड़ी फैमिलीज रहती हैं. that was and yet वो एक दूसरे घर पे झांकता नहीं है. नहीं भी नोटिस किया. स्पेशली आई थिंक नॉर्थ में वो बहुत बार, जैसे ही अंधेरा होता है, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द कर्टन्स ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज ऑफ प्रिवेसी. यहाँ पे मैंने देखा था खिड़की ऐसे खुली, पर्दे तो रहते थे, सर हाँ खुले रहने दो, नो वन इज बॉदर्ड. आई सेड अच्छा. बट जस्ट बीइंग अराउंड द सिटी, और मैंने कहा यार कितना, बिल्डिंग का नाम तो मतलब कुबेर कॉम्प्लेक्स था, बट सो इन माय हेड आई मेड कुबेर मतलब धन के राजा, मतलब एक्सपेंसिव, मतलब रिच, मतलब सुंदर बिल्डिंग. इट वाज वन ऑफ, आई कांट टेल यू, कोई वॉल नहीं होगी जिसपे लोगों ने थूका नहीं होगा, वो पान खा के. ऐसे थोड़ी हो सकती है बिल्डिंग. मुंबई में तो सबके वो आलीशान एलिवेटर्स होते हैं, ऐसे फिल्मों में दिखाते हैं, यू खुले, वो जाले वाली है. ऐसा क्यों है? आई हैड सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस.
तो reality, right?
कॉम्प्लेक्स, मैंने कुबेर कॉम्प्लेक्स 4 बार ट्राई किया. मैंने कहा नहीं दादा, सबसे जो रिच पॉश लुकिंग बिल्डिंग वही होगी कुबेर कॉम्प्लेक्स. What was I
Not so.
thinking? How silly of me.
Talking
ऐसा
about
सोचा था मैंने.
You're talking about glossy image. Now you're a new mom. They also on Instagram we see glossy images of motherhood. But how is it? How challenging is it? And how are you enjoying this new stint in life, which is also comes with a lot of responsibility?
I think the biggest responsibility and challenge is in your question, keeping kids away from social media and phones. Most importantly,
अभी
if
तो
I
छोटा है उसको फोन की लत लग गई है.
नहीं लगी है, मैं वही कह रही हूँ, बट बिकॉज सब यूज करते हैं तो मुझे उसकी आंखों में दिखाई देता है कि ये क्या है. टॉय तो ठीक है,
कब तक छुपाओगे मुझसे वैसा कि कब तक?
एग्जैक्टली. हम उसको कोई कोई स्क्रीन कुछ नहीं है. मैंने देखा है 8-9 महीने के बच्चों को वो वीडियोस दिखा के खाना खिला रहे हैं, वो सब, बिकॉज अगेन नॉट जजिंग एनीवन, टू ईच हिज ओन. बट मुझे उसकी आंखों में फील होता है कि क्या है ये कुछ तो है जो छुपा देते हैं. जैसे मैं कमरे में आता हूँ, let me start watching. So I made this story in my head that what is he thinking. I think आज के टाइम में कुछ नहीं है, बिल्कुल सिर्फ फोन और सोशल मीडिया से दूर रखना, कोई बेटा ऐसी कोई चीज है ही नहीं है, कहाँ है कुछ नहीं है, दिस इज, सो आई थिंक दैट्स अ चैलेंज, but that's a challenge that I definitely we want to take, because we realize what it can do, and we realize how, it's not avoided completely. I'd like to delay it as much as possible, so that he can enjoy life. He can enjoy the way, I think we were the last of generations who not have our heads
Yeah,
like that,
we've seen the world without the mobile.
without phones,
But
and we
yeah,
existed, and we did really fairly
absolutely.
well. क्योंकि लोगों ने अब सबने पढ़ना छोड़ दिया है।
Exactly.
अच्छा, फटाफट चेक कर लेंगे, हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स पढ़ना छोड़ दिया है। तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, तो आई थिंक that'll be quite challenging, but
You're
we'll
enjoying
figure.
yourself, and it's very heartening to see most of our leading ladies are all mummies, and we are well past that stage where we said shadi, marriage ended. It's really, I think it's really good beginnings for our society and for the examples you're all laying.
Thank you so much.
तो अच्छा, अब धूमधाम की बात कर रहे थे, कोई, if you were to meet Koel and Veer in real life, which is that one thing you would say to them?
वीर से तो मैं यही कहूंगा कि वैसे वीर बहुत पेशेंट आदमी है।
आप ही लगते वैसे बहुत पेशेंट से हो, और are you not? He looks very patient, and
He's very patient and very, very calm.
वीर का तो कैरेक्टर वैसे चलो वैसा ही है, तो मैं तो वीर से अगर मिलूं तो यही कहूंगा कि जितनी पेशेंस है तुम में उतनी उससे और थोड़ी ज्यादा रखना, बिकॉज फिल्म के बाद वो कोयल के साथ रहने वाला है। फिल्म जहाँ एंड होती है वहां से तो उनकी लाइफ शुरू होने वाली है। तो एक रात में जितने रिविलेशंस हुए हैं उसके बाद अभी तो और नए नए चीजें जानने मिलेंगे उसको।
It's also a very subtle, I won't subtle, not take, but वही सोशल मीडिया पे हम कुछ पिक्चर अपलोड कर देते हैं फटाफट, कुछ भी एक्टिविटी की, एंड द अदर पर्सन थिंक्स कि अरे यार, इसको ये भी आता है, ये भी आता है, ये भी आता है, ये तो ऐसी दिखती है, दैट इज हाउ शी लुक्स इन रियल लाइफ, एंड quite an adventurous person, he or she is. And so whatever we're putting it out there, constantly perceptions बन रही हैं. The reality could be completely different.
Yeah.
Right? मैं हमेशा सोचती हूँ कि अगर मैं कोई स्किल सीखना चाहती हूँ, मैं वो टेस्ट उसका अल्टीमेट वही है कि मैं सीख रही हूँ, मैं सोशल मीडिया पे ना डालूं. Let's still be interested in learning in today's
very
time.
difficult in
Because
both your professions to
yeah,
actually.
because everything is looking like कि अब मुझे डालना है सोशल मीडिया पे, so that people know that this is also a skill that I know. Almost feels like a CV versus जो idea था Instagram का, which is more about just sharing something which you feel like sharing.
Asking
That's
is a
why
very
I've kept it very professional. I've kept it. I'm the most active person during promotions, but and the least of all when I'm done
This
with the
is
film
the question
promotion.
I want to ask you both, because आप दोनों, you both only get active during promotions. Otherwise, there is nothing कि मैं आज यहाँ जा रही हूँ, not getting papped. Like we haven't seen your little one being papped. You've given him his distance. How is it actually difficult? Because in your profession, you have to be constantly seen.
No, constantly seen through your work. I
या
mean,
बताओ, यहाँ तो आजकल भैया followers and all determine कि आपकी कितनी reach है.
हाँ मतलब if you take that seriously, then that becomes your main profession, then you work on that. If that's your main product. If that's not my main product, then I rather concentrate on my main product than these peripheral things. So that's how I guess we
Yeah.
both look at it.
Yeah. Also, little mystery is always nice, ना? Why हम क्यों बोलते हैं अच्छा 90s तक की जो जनरेशन थी, they were, वहां तक वो OG stars थे, क्योंकि लोग क्यूरियस थे.
पता ही नहीं था उनकी लाइफ में क्या होता है.
I was talking to Sanjay Dutt, Sanjay sir. I was on Aditya's shoot. And he's saying the same thing कि मतलब अब जरूरी नहीं है, अगर मैं चाय पी रहा हूँ, मुझे वो अपलोड ही करना है फोटो कि अब देखो मैं चाय पी रहा हूँ. I have to lead my own life, and little curiosity. I am a people's person. I love people. I love that they love me so much. But अगर आप stardom की बात करें, अब मैंने देखा like the kind of craze people had when they were following his car. And it's not that social media वाला. It's like दूर कोई बलून बेच रहा है, दूर कोई छोले कुलचे बना रहा है, और अरे छोड़ो सब कुछ और भागो गाड़ी के पीछे. Where do we see that kind of stardom or madness for an actor of our generation? No. That's all very orchestrated what was happening today, right? कि वहां पे paparazzi खड़ी होगी, आपको आना है बस. It's all made up right now. So हम किसको cater कर रहे हैं? क्या हम इंडस्ट्री को बताना चाह रहे हैं या हम लोगों को बताना चाह रहे हैं? लोगों को फर्क नहीं पड़ता इतना, क्योंकि मुझे लोग आपकी फिल्म देखना चाहते हैं. कुछ टाइम के लिए फर्क पड़ सकता है, आप कहीं गए आपको देखा, बट इवेंचुअली क्या वही लोग पैसे खर्च करके आपकी फिल्म देखने आएंगे? या फिर सब्सक्रिप्शन? क्या आप में इतना दम है कि एक ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है, क्या लोग स्पेशली सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज्यादा कि मुझे इनकी फिल्म देखनी है? बाय द वे, दीज आर द कमेंट्स बिहाइंड
No,
अब तो
absolutely.
अब वापस नेटफ्लिक्स सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा. So
You both hit the nail on the head, because when it's a Yami and a Prateek film, we do tune in. Thank you so much. And let me tell you, Prateek, it's a far cry from the Yami I met during Kabul, because I am loving this phase, Yami. I'm loving it.
thank you, Pooja.
Quiet. So quiet. Way to go, girl.
Thank you, made my day.
Yeah. Thank you so much, both of
Thank
you.
you,
And
thank
do
you.
one some
Thank you.
code tuning.
Please, do love to hear from you. All right, bye bye.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.